In this video, we will learn about working with objects in C++. We create an object from a class. Since we have our class named example class that we created in the last video, we can use this as a blueprint for creating objects using C++ code. The first step is to declare the object. To do this, we type the name of the class and then the name of the object. For example, let's create an object of type example class named obj. Since the attributes were marked as public in our class, we can set them here. We access the attributes and methods of an object using the dot operator. For example, let's assign the object's integer field a value of 15. Then we will set the character field to the character value a. Next, we will set the Boolean field equal to true. After that, we will set the floating point field equal to a value of 3.5f. We can also call the methods of our class on the object. For example, let's call method 1. Then we will call method 2. When we run the code, notice that these methods were run, and the console shows the output messages method 1 and method 2 respectively.